my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to palm dance and word math method. It is an arithmetic expression which is very big and we have to see and solve this expression and find out which answer is correct. So in the answer list we have four answers: 72, 55, 45 and -9. So we will solve this expression and find out which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's move towards to solve this expression using PAMDAS and word math method. Basically, if you know, these two methods are used to solve any arithmetic expression, and the rule says if you are using the word math and PAMDAS, it means that if your expression contains any bracket, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After that, you have to see the power. Any number has any power, so you have to solve that part next. After that, you have to see and go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. If division is coming first in your expression, so you solve the division first. And if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. So we can solve the addition first if addition is coming first. And if we can solve subtraction first, so if subtraction is coming first. Now, let's move towards the solve this expression. As you can see on the screen, we have a big expression which contains multiple brackets and basic operation minus, plus, and multiplication. Sorry, not plus, minus, addition, division, and multiplication. So now we have to solve this expression using word math and PAMDAS method. So according to the rule says first we have to solve the bracket. So we have to see there are multiple brackets, and here we have this one bracket, and this one is another bracket. Also, we have this bracket. This bracket is basically, this has the one terms and have the minus sign. That's why here they use the bracket. So we have the majorly here two main brackets, which is -2 contains -2, -8, -2, and other one is 5 minus -2 -1. So we have to solve this part first according to the rule. So we will see 53 minus, and after that we will write -6, and we will solve this part. So as if you solve this two brackets, so you will get the answer is -2 -10 -8 equals to -10, and -2 equals to -12. So the answer of this is -12, and divided by 3 we will write as it is. And now here we will solve this part, but before solving this part, we will solve this which is inner bracket. So here we have -2 -1, which is equals to, this sign is minus for this one, and -2 -1 is 2. Basically minus plus, and 2 1 the 2. So here the answer is 2. And here we will give the reference. So first one is the equals to 12. Sorry, here we will write the -12, not 12. And other one is comma -2 and -2, which is equals to 2, right? And now we will go in the next round. Again, we have here two brackets. One is this one, and other one is this one. So we will solve this part. So we will write 63 minus -6 multiplied by -12 equals to 70. Minus plus, and 6 12 of 72. And here we will write this one, and this becomes 5 minus 2 equals to 2 multiplied by 3. And here we will give the reference. So this part becomes 72, comma, and this becomes equals to 3. Now, we do not have any bracket. So what we have to do here, first we have to solve using the BODMAS and palm down method, the division and multiplication. So we will go left to right now in our expression and see which part is coming. So here, one space, and here we have this division first. So first we will divide this one. We will write 63 minus 72 divided by 3. 3 to the 6, and 3 multiplied by 3. We will write. Here will be give the reference 72 divided by 3 equals to 24. And again, we have to go left to right in our expression. Left to right, and here we have another multiplication. So we will solve this one now. We will write 63 minus 64 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 24 multiplied by 3 equals to 72. So we will write 72. So now we have only two terms which are subtract integers. X will be minus 63 minus 9 and 72. So it becomes equals to minus 9. So I hope you understand like how you can solve this expression with the palm dance and BODMAS rule and get the correct result. And if you will not follow any palm dance and BODMAS rule, so you get the wrong result. So thank you. If you see the answer list, so answer D is the correct answer of this expression. I hope you understand like how you can solve this expression, palm dance and BODMAS rule and get the correct. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.